Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 BMW X5. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and much more. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Please don't hesitate to give us a call